Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to send TikToks from TikTok to Instagram users or pretty much any user on any platform. So open up TikTok and let's say you want to select some TikTok that you want to send to somebody. All you have to do is simply click the little share icon right over here and you'll be given an option to share it via multiple platforms. You can share it to your story, to TikTok friends, Discord users, Instagram users, etc, etc, etc. But the easiest way is just to copy the link to the TikTok. Of course, you can simply just click Instagram and you'll be given to Instagram direct feed or stories. If you click direct, click just once and you have an option to who to send it to. And if you click send, you click that send TikTok to them just. But if you just open your TikTok, go to messages, open up somebody and paste, you can see that I can send it like this as well. So that's pretty much it. You can paste it to everyone or you can just send it directly through the app like I showed you. And that's pretty much it. Hope this helped. If it did, click like and subscribe and see you next time.